Hi guys, so today we're here to unbox my Sephora Play box for March. I got my box in super late and I'm super excited to see what I got. So if you don't know what Sephora Play box is, it is a monthly subscription box that you pay $10 a month and you get 5 products to try out. These are usually small tester size, these are not your full size products, so it just depends on your budget and what you think about getting small type of products to try out through the month. Sephora's products are usually face and you know, skincare related. Sometimes you get some makeup, but most of the time in my experience I get hair and face related type of products. So this month's box is called Festival Beauty Vibes. These cards basically give you all the information that's in the bag that you got to the products this month. Let's go ahead and get into the bag. So this month's bag, I've already ruined it, looks like, but it is a tie-dye bag and it's very cute. It says beauty is my spirit animal, which is super cute. I like this tie-dye bag. I don't know that I would use it, but it's something that I will definitely pass on to somebody in the future. So let's go ahead and see what we got here first. The first item I got is from Dr. Jart. It's the BB Beauty Balm Multi-Action Skin Makeup, and it has an SPF of 45. I already have this and I like it. It's just a little bit too light for my skin. It's actually something that's really nice to put under makeup if you want like extra coverage and maybe extra SPF. I don't mind this. It's not my favorite. Like I said, it's a little light for my skin, but I like Dr. Jart's products, so I don't mind using this product. Next I have, oh, I actually got makeup. It is a contour eye pencil, 24-hour wear, waterproof from Sephora. This is in the color, I'm gonna assume this is in the color Copper. So it's just an eyeliner. Go ahead and put it up close so you can see it. I'm not going to open this up because it's something that I'll probably end up giving away. Alright, next I have, and these are Marijo hair care. I think it's called Marijo, and you get a nourishing cleansing cream and a deep treatment butter. So are these shampoos? I'm assuming a cleansing cream is like a shampoo because I use a cleansing cream from Wen, and that's a shampoo that cleans your hair. So I'm gonna assume that's what that is. And then a deep treatment butter is something that you would put on your hair, leave it on for at least 20 minutes, and it's supposed to condition your hair really, really nicely. So these will be interesting to try out. I'll give those a try and let you guys know if you want to know information on those. Next I have a plumping lip liner from Buxom. This is in the color, why don't they ever put the colors on here? Hush Hush. So let's see what this looks like here. So it's just a lip liner. It's a small pencil, and then it does have a brush on the other side to blend in the lipstick. So I like Buxom. I've always liked Buxom. For many years all I used was Bare Minerals, and Buxom is a line from Bare Minerals. So I'm very familiar with anything that comes from Bare Minerals, and I like them. So this will be something that you should really try out. It's also a really nice color. It's something that I would normally wear as a lipstick throughout the weeks or the days or whatever. So this will be nice to give a try. Next spray from Boragio, I think that's what it's called. It's a Blossom and Bloom Ginseng plus Biotin Volumizing Spray. That's very interesting. I've never heard of topical biotin. I think that's what that says, biotin spray. So I take a pill that has biotin in it. I've been doing it for months now and I enjoy it. So this will be interesting to see what this does. There's not very much in there, but we'll see. I don't know if you put this on before or after. Use spray through clean hair, damp hair with focus it on your roots and blow dry. So it's supposed to, I would assume it's supposed to give lift. If anything that says focus on roots gives lift, so we'll see how that works. I don't mind using stuff that gives lift. Sometimes I feel a little overlifted, so I try to straighten stuff because I have curly hair. So I mean, curly hair. All right, the last thing I have here is from Lancome. It's a Melt and Mousse. Millimousse. What is this? Let's see here. It looks like this, and that's what this handy dandy little thing is for. Okay, so it looks like it's just like a face wash. It just says to mix with water and clean off your face. So looks like it's a face wash. I don't mind getting new face washes. I like face washes. I wash my face twice a day, so any new ones that I can get is a help for me. Alright, so that was everything I got in my this month's Sephora play. I think everything I got this month was pretty nice. I don't mind this box this month. Some of the stuff I will be able to try out, and some of the stuff I'll just give away to you guys. So I'm not complaining about it at all. I think the bag this month is really cute. I just broke it though, unfortunately. But I do think this bag is really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions about Sephora Play, and I shall talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!